When your roof needs repair or replacement, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right contractor. While big-name companies may seem appealing, there are distinct advantages to working with a local roofing contractor in Madison Heights. From saving money to avoiding unnecessary delays, partnering with a nearby expert can make all the difference in your roofing project. Faster response and timely serviced roofing problems rarely happen at a convenient time. Whether it's a sudden leak, storm damage, or general wear and tear, you need someone who can respond quickly. Local roofing contractors in Madison Heights are nearby, which means they can schedule inspections faster and often start repairs sooner than out-of-town companies. When you choose local, you won't be stuck waiting days or even weeks for someone to drive in from another city. A contractor who is based in your community can be on site promptly, saving you valuable time, especially in emergencies where delays could lead to more costly damage. Lower costs and no hidden travel fees. Hiring a contractor from outside the area can add hidden costs you may not expect. Many non-local roofing companies include travel expenses in their pricing or inflate project costs to cover the added logistics. Local roofers in Madison Heights, on the other hand, don't have those extra overheads. Because they're already part of the community, they can offer competitive rates and transparent pricing. You're paying for the quality of their work, not the gas and time it takes to get them to your home. In the long run, that means more money stays in your pocket. Knowledge of local building codes and weather. Every city has its own building regulations and permit requirements. A roofing contractor who isn't familiar with Madison Heights may unintentionally overlook these rules, leading to delays, failed inspections, or even fines. Local contractors, however, work with these codes every day. They know exactly what permits are needed and how to keep your project in compliance. Just as importantly, they understand the local climate. Madison Heights experiences its share of heavy rains, snow, and fluctuating temperatures. Local roofers know which materials and installation techniques perform best under these conditions. Their expertise ensures that your roof is not only built to last but also tailored to the demands of Michigan weather. Personalized service and accountability. When you hire a national chain or a company from far away, you may feel like just another job on their list. Local roofing contractors take a different approach. They rely heavily on reputation, word of mouth, and customer referrals to grow their business. That means they have a vested interest in delivering excellent service and standing by their work. If you ever need follow-up repairs or warranty service, a local contractor is easy to reach. You won't be chasing down a distant office or dealing with endless phone transfers. Instead, you'll be working with a team that's invested in your satisfaction because they're part of your community too. Supporting the local economy. Beyond the practical benefits, hiring a local contractor also supports Madison Heights' economy. When you choose a nearby business, your money stays in the community, helping to create jobs and strengthen local services. It's a decision that benefits not just your home, but your neighborhood as a whole. The bottom line: roofing projects are significant investments, and choosing the right contractor is essential. By hiring a local roofing contractor in Madison Heights, you're ensuring faster service, lower costs, and expert knowledge of local building codes and weather conditions. You'll also enjoy personalized attention, reliable follow-up, and the satisfaction of supporting your community. When the time comes to repair or replace your roof, don't overlook the advantages right in your backyard. Choosing a trusted local roofer can save you both time and money, while giving you peace of mind that your home is in good hands.